Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to stop kids from exiting YouTube on your iPhone. So if you often hand your iPhone to your kids to watch any YouTube video, then you have probably noticed that they quickly exit the app and open any other game, photos or messages or any app. Now to stop this, fortunately your iPhone has a built-in accessibility feature that is called guided access. You can use this feature and lock your YouTube app. After enabling this feature, your kids cannot able to exit YouTube app. So first open settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on accessibility option and here scroll down to bottom and click on guided access. Now first make sure the toggle right to guided access is enabled, and once you enable this option just go to passcode settings, turn on the toggle right to Face ID, set a separate guided access passcode and don't share it with your kids. And after setting your guided access passcode, you just need to open YouTube app. Now just triple press the power button and you will see accessibility shortcut page. Here select guided access option at the bottom and now you just need to click on the start button at top right corner. Once you click on it, guided access is started and now you or whoever is using your iPhone cannot able to exit YouTube app and cannot even able to access control center. So that's it. Your child can now watch YouTube but won't be able to leave the app. And when you want to stop using guided access feature, you again need to triple press the power button and after this verify with your Face ID or the guided access password that you have recently set. Now on this page, click on the end button at top left corner of the screen and that's it. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.